Hello, and welcome to the Caster channel. Today I will be showing you a simple tip to stop Amazon package theft. If you're an Amazon shopper, you may have experienced the frustration of having a package stolen from your doorstep. Did you know some people have made it their business to drive around stealing Amazon packages? This can be a major inconvenience, not to mention a security risk. Fortunately, there's a step you could take to prevent this. It's called Amazon Drop-Off Locations. Amazon Drop-Off Locations are retail locations that accept Amazon packages on behalf of customers. These locations can include FedEx offices, FedEx authorized ship centers, and other retail locations such as grocery stores and pharmacies. To use an Amazon Drop-Off location, simply choose the location as your delivery address when you place your order. You'll receive an email notification when your package has arrived at the location, and you can pick it up at your convenience. Using an Amazon Drop-Off location has several benefits. For one, it can help prevent package theft, as the package will be delivered to a secure location rather than left on your doorstep. It can also be a more convenient option, especially if you're not always home to receive deliveries. To find an Amazon Drop-Off location near you, simply go to the Amazon website and search for Amazon Drop-Off Locations. You can also use the Amazon app to find and select a drop-off location when placing your order. There you have it. No more excuses for Amazon package theft. I hope this tip helps you stop Amazon package theft and makes your shopping experience more convenient. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and information. Thanks for watching.